In Midstream, community isn't just a word, it's a way of life. And when challenges arise, the Greater Midstream Forum steps up to protect the lifestyle that makes Midstream home. The GMF is a proactive collaboration of all the Midstream estates, where estate managers and board members work together to address issues that impact the entire community, pooling resources and sharing costs proportionally to effectively resolve challenges that no single estate could manage on its own.
A few years ago, the odors from the FG landfill site became unbearable. It affected everyone in our community. Now, thanks to the GMF, the estates united, and together we stood up against the violations, ensuring the landfill was shut down for good. It has had a great effect on the community.
The FG landfill site is a prime example on what an active community can achieve. While the GMF provides the structural backbone of the community, it's always been about improving residents' day-to-day experiences. From faster problem resolution to consistently high-quality services, the GMF plays a crucial role in maintaining Midstream's lifestyle appeal.
When there were land invaders trying to set up an informal settlement close to Midstream, it was the GMF that worked with the local authorities to remove them. They ensure that our community stays safe and secure.
Residents in all estates benefit from enhanced safety measures, thanks to the GMF's pooled resources and shared intelligence. This is a critical part of why families choose Midstream.
The GMF amplifies our voice when engaging with local authorities and service providers. By working as a united front, we secure better terms for our large-scale projects and minimize disruptions for our residents.
From water systems to coordinated security upgrades, the GMF's united approach ensures constant quality across all estates. It's remarkable how communities can work together so seamlessly.
What's inspiring about the GMF is its collaborative nature. Costs and responsibilities are shared, making high-quality services accessible to everyone. It's a community-driven effort, and it shows in everything we do.
The GMF isn't just about solving today's problems. It ensures that all estates are working towards the same long-term vision, preserving the value of property investments and creating a sustainable, cohesive environment for the next generation of residents. The Greater Midstream Forum isn't just a committee. It's the strength of a community coming together to overcome challenges, ensuring that Midstream remains not just a place to live, but a place to thrive. Welcome home.